I'm Valerie McGilvray, and you're watching Skip View. It's not illegal to commit pseudocide, but some of the reasons why people do it are. Many have tried and most have failed, and I'm going to tell you why pseudocide is mostly a pipe dream. It's rare that you hear someone was found safe and learned that they deliberately cut ties with their past to start a new life. Their family and friends left believing that a crime occurred. Community prayer vigils provide minimal comfort in supporting the delicate ease of moving into accepting that their loved one may never come home. New York Times bestsellers like J.J. Luna's How to Be Invisible attract people who lust for a fresh start. The simple use of disinformation is not pseudocide. When books like these were published, the success of pseudocide was so much better than today, thanks to the almighty digital footprint. So many of the tactics he explains are now obsolete, especially the misconception that disinformation will deter a dedicated force from finding out where you really are. The bare bones facts he presents include the idea that you can still travel anonymously today. Well, not really, thanks to license plate recognition technology. If your vehicle license plate is scanned, the location of your car will be sucked into a national database that private companies, private investigators, and law enforcement use every second of every day. So I hope you get it. You can't escape. While it's uncommon in today's crimescape, it's certainly a rare tactic used in insurance fraud. Red flags being a raised life insurance policy value, change of beneficiaries, or other details which switch the focus off the immediate family. I also believe the ability to stay fake dead relies solely upon the financial resources of the person you're hiding from. If you've stolen $1 million, your victim would have 1,000,000 reasons to hunt you down and bring you to justice, or bring you to your knees before a shallow grave. Skillful investigators and bounty hunters would find you because of one simple fact. It's virtually impossible for a person to walk away from a web of support from family and friends. Consider what someone has to give up in order to disappear. The simple, mundane tasks of everyday life could be your undoing. You'll always have the same addictions. You'll have the same swagger. If you run your left heel over on your shoes, you'll always run your left heel over. Boots on the ground will look for a person with the left heel run down. Your scars won't disappear. If you twirl your hair and pop your gum while you're talking on the phone in your past life, you'll do it in your future life too. Your preference in music, your slang, idiolect, even your favorite sweet treat or brand of cigarette would give you away. So if you walk away in new clothes, leave your car, jewelry, and literally everything behind, because you'd have to do that in order to not be identified, and get into an Uber and ride away into the sunset, your neighbor's Ring doorbell will probably catch you doing it. Also, you need to consider about all the video cams that pan out into the public streets catching your travels for law enforcement to review. Of course, they'd know which direction you went because of your neighbor's Ring doorbell footage, and if you got a ride with someone, that person would know exactly where you went to, what you were wearing, what you said, and if you think people are going to lie for you when you're gone, guess again. You're going to be all they talk about. You're the new hot topic. Cash may be king, but you'd need to go into a store to spend it. As soon as your wheels hit the paved parking lot, you'll be under video surveillance. If you buy anything that has a number attached to it, that can be traced, like a cell phone top-up card, regardless if you pay cash or not. If your phone number is discovered, a simple subpoena for the top-up card numbers on your prepaid cell phone and the store location with the date and time the card was activated would provide the end result of a video of you checking out with that card. And so now, they know what you look like. They saw you walk out to your ride and they virtually followed you back to your front door. The next question to ask yourself is, who are you going to be if you're not going to be you anymore? While it's more acceptable to use a nom de guerre in today's times, there are some laws that require you to carry state-issued government ID. If you use someone else's identity, then you're committing a crime. You cannot attest to any legal statement using someone else's identity, including a fictitious one. It's a federal felony. You can beg all you want, but I am not hunting down someone you think is in witness protection. I'm not even going to talk about it. You can ask all you want, but I am not spending 1 second trying to piece together whether your skip's in federal protection, moved to another country, or in a motel around the corner. I'm not doing it, or at least not until my next book comes out later this month. If you're interested in pseudocide crime investigations, please check out the links in the description. Thank you for watching. This is Houston, signing out.